G'day guys, today Dan and I have taken a bit of a walk back in history and we are at the Normanton railway station. This is G'day guys, today Dan and I have taken a bit of a walk back in history and we are at the Normanton railway station. This has got a bit of family history for me here. My great-great-grandfather back in the 1860s, along with William Landsborough, actually founded Normanton. He became the staff surveyor for the Kennedy area and then surveyed areas such as Mackay, Bowen, Townsville, Cardwell and Ingham. So he had a lot to do with the founding of the area up here. The staff here have been amazing and they've let me sit at his desk and just walk the area that he did, you know, so long ago. He actually went on in 1884 to invent and patent the steel sleepers that are still used today. And I believe, I was told 90% of them are actually still on the railway line between Normanton and Croydon. So at the moment it only runs on a Wednesday morning between here and Croydon. So we've just watched the train leave here and it was chockers. So it's so great to see so many people enjoying this area and just a way to remember my remarkable great-great-grandfather George Phillips.
Oh, he's taking some line off you. He's going.